leg hurt, bro. God damn. Oh, shit. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Beauty Voucher in the fuck. Man. So today we're reacting to this Deshae and Cenat challenges. Oh, these niggas about to lose. Badlands, Chugs to what? Eating? Wait. They might not lose because I never seen him in an eating competition. I know he can like.
Hey, what's going on?
I
Hey, what's
never
good,
seen
my
him in
boy?
a eating competition,
What's
bruh.
up?
How you doing?
What's going on, Ron
All
Kyle?
right. Hey,
How you doing?
Eric, Badlands. Good to meet you.
Okay. Hold on. What we doing today, man?
Oh,
This
man,
is
we're
one of
doing
the
some
only
chugging, man.
fat
Hey, I got
niggas
you.
that has
I
no
got a
stomach.
question. What if I can't do as much as you?
Oh, it's all good. You know, I can teach you. You do what you can do.
Yeah. I say you teach me, bro.
Definitely. Hey, I got your dog
Where's
food here for
Deshae?
you.
Okay.
All right, that's yours to keep. And I brought the 2-liter DOS, what I usually chug out.
Okay.
All right.
Big W, chat. Whole bunch of wings.
Yeah. About to look at these wings.
It's
Hot
good.
wings.
It look good, huh?
Looks
good.
really scrumptious.
Look good.
Yeah, man. How are you with the hot wings? You want to,
Bro, I hate spicy foods.
Oh.
But I'll try it, though.
Okay.
I'm not scared.
All right.
You know what I'm saying? I'll try it.
Yeah, let's do it, man.
Let's do it.
All right, so which one do you want to do, the chug or do the wings first?
Chat, should we chug or wings first? Should we chug or wings first, bro?
Yeah.
I think it's only right that we chug.
Okay.
We chug.
All right.
I think it's only right we chug.
All right.
Come on.
And
Yeah!
and let's see if we can just put a little bit in here,
Oh.
What the fuck?
It's Lenten, it's Friday.
A little
That's
bit.
not-
Just enough, all right?
And what, we just chug?
So basically, the best advice
Yeah,
I
what's
can
the
give
good advice?
you,
Yeah, the good advice.
is breathe out before you chug because
You.
it just makes room. It makes it go easier down. Just go, right? All right, so we're gonna do this, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, yes. I'm here, Kai Cenat stream with
Yes.
the man of the
No,
hour.
you the man.
Where's Deshae?
No.
No, you the man of the hour, bro.
No, this is your house. It's your tree. I'm just sitting on one of the branches, all right? And we're about to chug some orange
Try it.
juice,
Yes, you
all
better
right?
chug.
Chai. Kai, I swear, if he chugs that thing, well, he's a professional chugger. I swear to God, if he chugs that thing before you finish that, his is twice the size bigger than yours, bro. Come on.
Chug some
Are those easy?
orange juice
Yes.
right now.
So if you're ready, we're ready. Enough talk. 3, 2, 1.
What the fuck? Yo!
Woo! That's what I'm Yeah!
Bro!
That's some orange juice right there.
Bro, you don't got a burp?
What the
Oh, no
fuck?
carbonation in orange juice, so I put it. We
Bro,
gotta do something
what?
like this for the big burps.
Bro, what?
That's what it is.
Oh my, I can't even finish mine, bro.
14 months.
Oh, it's all good. Take a little sip. It's all good.
Wait, so so how do you even get into like we little breakdown, like a little rundown on how you even like talk about like I'm good at chugging.
Well, I mean, I usually do like the competitive eating contest. You
Yeah.
know, I've done buffalo wings in Buffalo, Nathan's hot dog eating contest.
You know hot dogs? How much you did?
My best is 40 hot dogs.
Damn! Glizzy Gobbler?
40 in 10 minutes.
40 glizzies in 10?
So it's like, I said one day, let me just, start a channel about chugging. And it's because, I had the ability to chug fast. And I just said, let's go. And then, people just dug it. I asked the chat, what they want to see. And, it just made a career out of it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. But and you know the chat is crazy. They want me to chug like some like thick water. They want me to chug.
Have you did that?
I done that. Yes, I made thick water with Kool-Aid once.
What? I just had thick water. Okay.
Maybe the the orange juice is really no carbonation.
I'm gonna let them choose. Chat.
Yeah. What do y'all want to see?
What would y'all want to see him? What would y'all want to see him chug?
All right, we got like a Starbucks iced coffee. You know.
And how much back to back can you do?
I can do one more. Yeah.
Yeah.
One more, maybe two. I mean, I'm here. I'm here now. So.
Oh my God! I know him. Yeah. I know him.
Oh, there goes Deshae.
Oh my God! What the? I see the Sprites, the drinks, I see that.
Yes. Yeah.
I just seen that. Oh my goodness. You was here this whole time? No, I had to leave real quick. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness. Shout out to him again, Deshae. Oh, Deshae, come on. Huh? I said, you be leaving. Like, I be thinking you leaving, but
I low-key live here. I'm not gonna lie.
That's fire though, right? It's refreshing.
My room's downstairs.
You know, room?
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah.
Oh, snap. Okay.
So I put it in here. Both.
I
just chug it.
Yeah, just chug it. Hold on.
So what's like the secret?
Well,
He said blow air out, like blow.
Yeah, just blow air out. Before you chug, you just go.
Okay.
And then it's like, just bring it all in,
Oh, you want to chug it?
Hold on a second. Come on.
See who's faster?
I can't.
I gotta get into that too. I gotta get into that too.
But we all know who the fastest is.
How much protein we got in here? 30 grams.
30 grams.
Alright, you ready?
Oh, hold on.
Wait, so blow?
No, just and then just go in. All right.
So it's like.
So you breathe it in.
You breathe out and you breathe it in. Yeah.
Okay, bet. You
All
ready?
Oh, you're breathing it in.
Yeah, pretty much.
Pretty much.
Okay, bet. Let's go.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my fucking god.
There we go.
Oh my god. Oh nah. Come on. What? Small. Alright,
Can't even do nothing.
someone finish it right now.
Come on, finish it right now.
He not finishing that shit.
That's happening. Happening is in here.
Come on.
How is it like you're swallowing while drinking?
How's it going? Yeah.
How?
No, I'm just, bro. It just, I don't know.
There you go.
How fast do you think you can eat a plate of when you drink?
Let's see. It's about. I'll say I can finish this whole thing in about 2 minutes.
Cat. I call cat.
You go, Cap.
No. You finish
But
this
he
in
did
2
40
minutes?
he did 40 hot dogs in 10.
My personal best in wings is 191 in 12 minutes.
What?
At the Buffalo.
191 wings in 12 minutes is fucking crazy.
91 wings in 12.
191. At the Buffalo Wing Fest.
That's what oh my goodness.
Bro, what?
Oh yeah. I gotta see something. That's the famous one. You bought that?
Yeah, that's it.
Hell yeah, that's
it.
crazy.
That's a 2 liter.
Bro.
They have I do a bigger one than that, a gallon, but I left it home.
Oh yeah, we
No,
got.
you're him.
TSA would have kept that one.
Which one would you want?
Oh, so what do we have? We have, it looks like
we got lemon
plain,
pepper.
Oh, lemon pepper. That's plain.
And then mild or something.
They're like
Oh, hot. They're like hot. It do look hot.
Yeah. So, I mean, let the chat decide because
But I know the secrets to like this. Like you gotta just like
Oh yeah. How do you? Let's see how you do it.
I do it like this. So like I'll get like the 2 bones. Right.
You're tripping.
Right.
And I'll grab it. Damn, that nigga ate the bone.
That's the meat umbrella.
Wait, what?
What the fuck?
Yeah, that's that.
Yeah.
What is you, that Trinidadian?
I learned that from Furious Pete.
Oh, nice, because of Furious Pete all day.
You know Furious Pete, right?
Oh yeah.
Say I know Furious Pete.
Yeah, Furious Pete. Big up to you. Yeah.
What is you, that Trinidadian?
What the fuck?
And I grab it. Do it like this. So like I'll get like the 2 bones. Right.
You're tripping.
Right.
And I grab it.
Look at Kai's. Kai's still have meat on him. Look at this nigga. He barely had anything on it, bro.
What the fuck?
That's that. What is he, that Trinidadian?
I learned that from Furious Pete.
Oh, nice. Because of Furious Pete all day.
You know Furious Pete, right?
Oh, yeah.
Say, I know Furious Pete.
Yeah, Furious Pete. Big up to Canada all day.
That be good as hell.
Where you from?
Me, I'm from New York.
What part?
I'm born and raised in Queens, Long Island.
I'm from the Bronx.
Oh, what's up, man?
Yeah.
What's up?
Yeah.
Wow. How about the drumming?
The drum, I don't know how to do that one.
All right. So, big up to Mickey Sudo. She taught me how to do this. She's a famous competitive eater.
Where can you find her at? Like, just any social media?
Oh yeah. At Mickey Sudo.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Just like a 2-bite. If you want to get like all it off in 2 bites, you just go.
What the fuck?
It's gone.
What the that dog?
Yo. But I just did the orange juice. I did orange juice in it.
You chugged it?
No.
Oh, these are the hot one sauces. Oh, that's cool. All right.
Alright, which one can you finish?
You got the bomb hot sauce here?
You want to try it? You want to put the hot sauce on it? It get hot, right? No, I don't think you should do that. I think you should. I think we should. I generally want to see you finish your plate though.
Yeah. Is this? Wait, you cannot.
What is it? That's coffee, right?
A gallon of medium roast iced coffee unsweetened.
But I didn't see prune juice over here.
Bro, what? I didn't even see.
That's crazy. I know it is.
Help. A kombucha.
Oh!
Tangerine. What the? Gold Peak brewed tea.
Bro.
Sunsweet like
Prune juice. Ooh.
prune juice.
You ever did prune juice?
Yeah.
Oh my
What
God.
the fuck?
What did that have you like go to the bathroom?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I did a gallon once, so that. Oh man. Oh my. I was kind of tore up after that.
Bro. Oh my gosh, bro.
So let's see what we got here with these rippers.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this real quick.
All right, let's move this over.
There's no way.
All right. So we
Oh,
got
now this shit
all
making me
these
want
rippers here.
hot wings,
Okay.
bro.
We about to do this, all right?
Let me know when you want to start. Oh, no, it do it on me.
The Cenat 2-minute wing challenge, okay?
Okay.
All right.
If he finished that whole shit, bro.
Enough talk. 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, he going in. I never knew that's. Oh my gosh.
Oh my fucking god.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my. That's goddamn 6-piece right there.
Yeah.
That's a 6-piece. That's
In like 20 seconds.
That's $20 already. That's. What the fuck is going on?
Yo.
Bro, it takes me at least 30 minutes to eat a 10-piece, bro. This nigga just ate a 10-piece in 40-something seconds.
Really eating the molds. You're not full?
Straight off the bone. Straight off. Hold on. Let him concentrate.
NAHHH bro AEATERRR.
All right. Come on, man.
Bro, me personally, if you gave me this fucking plate, bro, I said it'd take 30 minutes to eat 10 wings. That is so cap. It take me at least, because I be on my game. It take me at least 5 minutes or so, something like that. 5 to 10 minutes eating 10 wings, bro. If you give me this fucking plate, I'm eating this shit for like an hour and I'm enjoying it. I'm taking my fucking time, my nigga. You get this nigga shit, and it's like, it should go in 2 minutes!
Oh my gosh.
Bro!
30 seconds left.
Yo.
Bro, I would have given him a trophy right here.
Bro, yeah, bro, that's 20 wings. I could feed my whole family. Exactly, for real. Dead ass. I thought it was over for all of us. I thought this chain was
Oh my gosh.
off and you're taken.
Real bad man come from Kingston. Steph Curry. Yay, that is a goat. Some my favorite food is curry goat. That joint had me rolling on it.
Nigga, fuck you mean? Oh!
Give it up. Give it up.
That shit is. He
Come on, man.
fraud. He's eating mad meat right now. Bro swallows the bones. Bro, what the fuck? Hell nah. So close. Deshae face.
Give it up.
To the next one.
Fraud. Let him eat. Bro, no way.
Only 1/3 of the
Damn.
plate left.
Bro, how many wings that? How many wings was this?
Yo!
Give it up.
To the next one.
Only 1/3 of the plate.
He half eating them. That is true.
Left.
Where did they come? Pre-heart attack is crazy.
Bro, how many wings that? How many wings was this?
Let's see. 1, 2, 3.
Nigga, if you don't fit, no! Finish those!
Come on. There we go. 6,
Big 7 months.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That don't count. 13, 14.
I would have counted that.
Phantom going crazy on them wings.
16,
17.
17.
So now 20.
17 wings in 2 minutes, bro. What the fuck? Nigga. Bro. My nigga. My nigga.
20 pieces in 2 minutes.
Nigga almost ate a. Gave him an extra 30 seconds, bro. That nigga really ate a 20 piece in 2 minutes. That shit is gonna take me at least 30 minutes. Like, god damn!
17 ain't too bad.
Still do your thing. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? No, 17 is not bad at all.
At all.
17 is not bad at all. What was the first competition that you got a part of?
First one was the Nathan's hot dog eating contest. You know, back in the days, right? Before I even started doing eating contests,
Mats, can I move the curse thing, please? Yeah.
Yeah. Before I started doing eating contests, I I used to take my kids to Nathan's. You know what I'm saying? You know, that's my youngest right there.
Nathan, oh, okay. How you doing?
How you doing? Okay,
Nathan's got some good glizzies.
He had.
Yeah, they're really good. So, I entered the contest. I knew the manager. He was just like, come back, and 12 noon, and you can get in. From that contest, that was like, the first contest, hot dog eating contest. Like, back then it was just that and like a matzo ball eating contest. So ever since then, Kobayashi, he came over and he ate 50 wings back in the day, and there was no one ever like, see anything like it. So then, eating contests got really big. There was like this contest for everything. They have this in Buffalo every Labor Day weekend, because of Drew Serza, and burgers, pizza, you name it. There's a contest for everything.
Bro, me personally, I entered a contest for the free food, my nigga. I will enter this contest for the free fucking food. If you don't got to pay for the contest, you just enter and sign up. I'm taking my fucking time, bro. Fuck is you talking about? Like, what? That is fucking crazy.
Damn,
What's all
bro.
the different foods you ate? Type of foods like wings.
Y'all
Oh, man,
niggas
like-
devouring that shit.
I think everything. Wings, sliders, burgers.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite
Here,
food?
559
In the
rugs here,
contest, I'll have
bro.
to
If
say
you want to
this.
have us
I
go
love
through and make a
wings.
custom rug on stream, let me know. We did your
Damn, bro.
black and white portrait.
appreciate you,
Blessed
man.
5 months.
You know, you out here sweating.
It's all good. It's all good.
Devontae, what's good gaming?
Oh, let's see how much you eat by
In a fight.
Hell no,
I wanted to do that, chat.
I just lost. I'm not gonna win, bro. I wanted to win. That's what I'm saying. Like I wanted to bet. I just lost my parlay, so I was like,
Ryan?
Ryan?
You're Ryan.
That nigga right.
Yeah.
Be showing his superpowers or something.
Bro, I just had meat. It tastes good too, bro. Damn, bro.
The chef making steak too. That's crazy.
He is? Oh.
That nigga's gonna be sick. He was gonna be so sick, bro. Like,
They say, who cares, bro? Like, what you mean? Who cares, bro? What you mean? Who? Like,
What?
I'm dead.
Do you should really do? Come on, let's see if the Badlands jeans work. Somebody's got
all right, now we're done. All right, bet. Let's do it. All right. You want the chip here?
That shit. Oh, hell no!
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Oh, I wish
This-
Asian was here. Asian's a fast eater.
I seen him when I was leaving.
All right, ready? Hold on.
GG's, bro.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Bro. Super Bowl day? Like, if they throw a Super Bowl party, 5 large pizzas, 200 fucking wings, bro. Cause they eat, if it's not, bro, a regular family meal, they eat that shit in 10, not even 10 minutes. 5! Like, bro, take your time! Damn!
All right.
Like, that shit, bro. This shit is making me hungry for wings, bro. And they just fucking. I'll be taking my time, bro. Look at Deshae. I'll be Deshae right now, taking my sweet time, bro.
Oh, y'all. Oh, yeah, they need water. Oh, yeah, I would have won. I see. You want tea?
Gonna have this?
Yeah. There's no talking.
I'm gonna throw up, bro.
I'm taking my sweet fucking time with this shit.
Come on, bro.
Come on, Brand.
There's so much shit in my fucking mouth.
Bad meat, right?
Don't stuff your mouth. Don't stuff your mouth.
All that.
Don't just eat just enough. You don't want to chip one because then you can't get it down.
56. My mouth's not working.
No, it's not working. Was that pink? What the fuck?
He didn't even, bro. Deshae, take your time. There is no way you're winning.
Fuck with this damn.
30 seconds, chat.
Come on, Brand. 30 seconds, Brand.
I'm gonna throw up, bro.
Come on. 2-bite method, Brand. 2-bite method.
Huh?
Let's get it, bro.
I'm gonna throw up. No, I ain't.
He ain't gonna throw up. He's
He's not gonna throw up. You panicking right now. Feel it. 20 seconds.
20
It counts
seconds.
here. It counts here.
Come on. The flats, Brand. Flats.
Let's
Brand.
go. Let's go.
Easier to eat. Flats.
What the fuck is a flat?
Flat.
That
Wing,
you got right
wing.
there.
Flat.
What is that? Turns and shit. This is to save my family. You got.
All right, time.
Stop. Yeah.
All right.
I'm
I don't
taking
count.
my
That's not yours, right?
Come on.
Okay. How much you got to say?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How much you got? 1, 2, 3, 4.
I won! Oh shit! Oh shit, bro! Oh shit! I'm eating anything.
Nice.
Deshae. Anything.
He's a munch.
I mean,
I'm a munch. I'm munching anything. Pause.
That was good though. That was hella fun. I might switch my profession. That shit was good.
That was.
nigga, biggest fuck for nothing. Deshae the throat goat.
OD.
Chat B.
Damn, bro. I gotta get grilled cheese, bro.
Arsha.
Oh my god.
Here we go.
That's what happens with you be eating?
Yeah, sometimes, you know, because it's like, you know, it gets a little gassy and, you know. If you drink soda, then it's just like Godzilla.
I know your shit's
You got a bag right there.
crazy.
Bro, right, that shit be crazy.
Co-host.
Now I want
He's just
wings.
streaming right now?
He's sponsored by Creed, bro. The movie.
I was supposed to be in. I auditioned for that bitch. Didn't get it. I was sick.
You gonna box, nigga?
I was auditioning. I forgot what role. It was like years
You
ago.
Kai, you are
Just didn't
such
get
a
it. I was
W.
sick. I'm trying to be Michael B. Jordan's son in the movie. That ass. Michael B. Jordan? That's low key kind of gay, bro. But it's all, I'm gonna let it slide.
He looks like. Oh my god.
Look, this nigga Kai is still drinking his orange.
Big W's, chat. Big W's. Big W's. So like, what's the worst thing that you like hate?
Oh, well, the worst thing I've ever done was, oh man, don't even think about it.
So you can sit right here, bro.
No.
Yeah, the worst thing I've ever did was, we had a contest called the Glutton Bowl, and I made it to the final round, and
Happy
they had us do cow
NHL.
brains, man.
Oh,
Coward.
what the?
Yeah.
What was the grand prize?
25 grand.
Damn! Who is crazy?
You win or no?
No, I did not win that.
Damn.
Nah, who won that? Kobayashi.
Anybody else is throwing up? Anybody?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't really know.
Yeah, because it's like the way they brought it, it was like on a platter and it was 10 pounds and it's like, you know how the waiter takes the dome off, and it was
10 pounds of
cow brains.
That's how like much a whole brain weighs, right?
Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, it looked crazy.
What?
It looked like, you know, I was just like, nah, man.
Oh my god.
That was crazy.
He need one of them rugs, them rags the pastors carry around. You know what I'm talking about? Like when how the pastors be preaching, then they pull the rag out the back pocket and they wipe their forehead and shit. That's what he need.
That's crazy.
Well, that was
He
crazy.
need that with
Yeah.
him at all times.
Damn, bruh.
Oh my goodness.
10
That
pounds
paper
of
towel.
Chat, we
like,
with the
yo.
legend right now, man. Badlands Chugs,
I gotta
man.
take a shit. I'll be right back.
He said I gotta take a shit. WV, bro. The shade funny as shit. I want some fucking wings now, bro. 17 wings in 2 minutes is crazy. Alright. Alright, y'all. There was a W video. Shit was funny as fuck. Deshae is fucking hilarious. These niggas are hilarious. Kai and Deshae together are fucking hilarious. But it's gonna be the end of this video. Yo, I don't know what to say. Like, it's gonna be the end of this video. I love y'all niggas, and always remember, V-Buddy vibes is the best vibes. Your vibes is the best vibes. I'm out.
Bye bye. Bye bye.